Investing made easy. Introducing SIPs. Saving money is important. But what if you could make your savings work harder for you? Imagine your money not just sitting idle but growing steadily over time. You worked hard for your money, right? Every penny earned is a result of your dedication and effort. Don't let it just sit there. Idle money loses value over time due to inflation. Instead, put it to work. Investing helps your money grow. The stock market, for instance, has historically provided higher returns compared to traditional savings accounts. It's like planting a seed that grows into a big tree. With patience and regular care, your investments can flourish. SIPs are a simple way to invest. Systematic investment plans allow you to invest a fixed amount regularly in mutual funds. They are like automatic savings plans. Once set up, SIPs automatically deduct a predetermined amount from your bank account and invest it. They help you invest regularly. Consistency is key in building wealth, and SIPs ensure you stay on track. You can start small and watch your money grow big. Even modest investments can accumulate significant wealth over time due to the power of compounding. SIPs are a powerful tool for everyone. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting, SIPs offer a disciplined approach to investing. No matter how much you earn, you can invest. SIPs are flexible and can be tailored to fit any budget, making them accessible to all. Start your journey to financial freedom today. With SIPs, you can take control of your financial future, ensuring a brighter and more secure tomorrow. Don't wait. The best time to start investing is now. Unlocking regular investing. A systematic investment plan, or SIP, is a smart way to invest. SIPs allow you to invest a fixed amount of money at regular intervals, making it easier to build wealth over time. It lets you invest a fixed amount regularly, ensuring disciplined savings. You choose the amount and how often you invest, whether it's weekly, monthly, or quarterly. SIPs are mostly used for mutual funds, which are investment vehicles that pool money from many investors. Mutual funds pool money from many investors, allowing for diversified investments. This pooled money is then invested in a variety of assets like stocks, bonds, and other securities. With SIPs, you buy units of a mutual fund, which represent your share of the fund's holdings. One of the key benefits of SIPs is that you get more units when prices are low, taking advantage of market dips. Conversely, you get fewer units when prices are high, which helps in averaging out the cost of your investments. This concept is known as rupee cost averaging, which helps in mitigating the impact of market volatility. Over the long term, SIPs can help in accumulating significant wealth due to the power of compounding. As your investments grow, the returns generated are reinvested, leading to exponential growth. SIPs also instill financial discipline, making it easier to stick to your investment goals. You can set up automatic transfers from your bank account, ensuring that you never miss an investment. Over time, these small, regular investments can lead to financial freedom and help you achieve your dreams. Whether it's buying a house, funding your children's education, or planning for retirement, SIPs can help you reach your financial goals. Start your SIP today and take the first step towards a secure financial future. How SIPs work. A step-by-step guide. Let's say you want to invest in a mutual fund. You decide to invest $100 every month through a SIP. On the first of every month, $100 is automatically deducted from your bank account. This money is used to buy units of the mutual fund you chose. The price of each unit fluctuates. Some months you'll buy more units, some months you'll buy fewer. Over time, this averages out and can help reduce risk. The power of SIPs. Benefits you don't want to miss. SIPs offer several benefits. They encourage disciplined investing. You invest regularly without fail. This helps you stay on track with your financial goals. SIPs harness the power of compounding. Your returns generate further returns over time. This snowball effect can lead to significant wealth creation. SIPs are flexible. You can choose the investment amount, frequency, and duration. You can pause or stop your SIP anytime you need. Section 5. SIPs in action witnessing long-term growth. In this section, we will explore how systematic investment plans, or SIPs, can be a powerful tool for achieving long-term financial growth. By consistently investing a fixed amount of money over a period of time, you can take advantage of market fluctuations and the power of compounding to grow your wealth. Let's imagine you invest $500 per month in a SIP. This disciplined approach ensures that you are regularly putting money aside, regardless of market conditions. It helps in averaging out the cost of investment over time, known as rupee cost averaging. Let's assume an average annual return of 12%. While this is a hypothetical figure, it gives us a good benchmark to understand the potential growth of your investments. Historical data shows that equity markets have provided substantial returns over the long term, though they can be volatile in the short term. Over 10 years, you would have invested a total of $60,000. This consistent investment habit not only builds financial discipline, but also ensures that you are steadily working towards your financial goals. With the power of compounding, your investment could grow to over $100,000. Compounding is the process where the returns on your investment start generating their own returns, leading to exponential growth over time. The longer you stay invested, the more pronounced the effects of compounding. This is just an example. Actual returns may vary. Market conditions, economic factors, and individual investment choices all play a role in determining the final outcome. It's important to review and adjust your investment strategy periodically to stay aligned with your financial goals. SIPs encourage you to stay invested for the long term. By committing to a regular investment schedule, you are less likely to be swayed by short-term market volatility. This disciplined approach can help you build a substantial corpus over time. This can help you achieve your financial goals faster. Whether it's saving for retirement, buying a home, or funding your child's education, SIPs provide a structured and effective way to reach your financial milestones. By staying committed and patient, you can witness the long-term growth of your investments and secure a financially stable future. Section 6. Navigating volatility. SIPs as your steady partner. Markets go up and down. This is normal. Don't panic when markets fall. SIPs can actually benefit from market volatility. When prices are low, your SIP buys more units. When prices are high, you buy fewer units. This helps average out your purchase price over time. SIPs encourage you to stay invested through market cycles. This can lead to better returns in the long run. Section 7. Start your SIP journey today. Secure your financial future. Don't wait to start investing. The best time to start was yesterday. The next best time is today. SIPs make it easy to get started. Start small and gradually increase your investment amount. Even a small amount can make a big difference over time. Talk to a financial advisor. They can help you choose the right SIP for your financial goals. Start building your wealth today. Section 8. Choosing the right SIP. Finding the perfect fit. Not all SIPs are created equal. Different SIPs invest in different types of mutual funds. Some funds are riskier than others. Consider your financial goals, risk tolerance, and investment horizon. A financial advisor can help you choose the right SIP for your needs. Do your research. Compare different SIP options. Look at their past performance, expense ratios, and investment strategies. Section 9. Maximizing your SIP returns. Expert tips and tricks. Stay invested for the long term. Don't panic and sell when markets are down. Patience is key to successful investing. Increase your SIP amount periodically. As your income grows, increase your investment amount to reach your goals faster. Review your SIP performance regularly. Make adjustments if needed. A financial advisor can help you stay on track. Section 10. Take control of your finances. Embrace the power of SIPs. SIPs are a powerful tool for anyone who wants to grow their wealth. They are simple, convenient, and effective. Start your SIP journey today. Take control of your finances and secure your financial future. Remember, investing is a marathon, not a sprint. Be patient, stay disciplined, and watch your money grow.